I have been briefed on the issue that this place was closed down. As you see, it's not closed down anymore. I am not fully aware of the situation. All I know is it is now been passed to the legal advisors and it is in their hands, and we await the outcome of that. But for the time being, as you can see, we are back as normal, and that's as far as I know about the prevailing situation. If you go onto the website, you will see so many things in there that are totally and utterly untrue when it comes to Freemasonry. There's no hokey-pokey or anything at all about it. We're simply good, honest men who are trying to make good, honest men out of other men.